In this video, I'll show you how to install the Redux graphics mod in GTA 5 to achieve enhanced visuals and realistic gameplay. Check my video description for this site link. Select the download option. Select this download option to download this Redux mod. Wait for this to download done. Once the Redux mod download done, select this folder icon and check my video description for this other required mods. Right click on this script to V and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here, right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Select this input 8.dll and script.v inside of a game folder. Once you're done, go back, open script.v.net. Select this ASI in 2.dll, 3.dll, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once you've done this, go back, open the pack file limit adjuster, drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder, and then go back, open heap adjuster, drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder, then go back. Now you need to open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed for GTA 5, check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager, install all three. Once you installed, close tab here and select edit mode and select yes option. Open this Redux, drag and drop this OIV inside OpenIV. Select the install option. Select the mods folder. If it doesn't have mods folder created for GTA 5, check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and create a mods folder for GTA 5. Once you install the mod folder, select mods folder option and select confirm installation. Once this installation is done, close tab here and go back, open this GTA 5 config. For old GTA 5 users, open this old version folder and you need to find the game version, guys. To do this, right click on the game and select open file location. Find this GTA5.exe, right click and select properties. Go to details and here you can able to see your game version. Find your game version and open the folder, guys. In my case 1.0.3725. So in my case I have a latest GTA 5 version, so I can't find it in here. Once you find your folder, open the folder and open for more mods and open the stock traffic and you will get this XML file. In my case I have a latest version of GTA 5, so open this GTA config v36 and open this for more mods stock traffic and I got this XML file. Same here, close stuff here and open OpenIV. Open this mods folder, update.rpf, common data, and scroll down. You can able to see game config in here. Drag and drop the game config inside. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. I show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.